Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two keyword research platforms, which is Ubersuggest and Driving Tools. So let's get started with a side-by-side comparison about this keyword research. Ubersuggest in 2025 is built for quick, focused keyword research. It gives a clear search volumes, keyword difficulty scores, content topic ideas, and even basic site audit. It's a simple dashboard. It's affordable and a beginner friendly, making it ideal for bloggers and small business or solo marketers who want to grow traffic without learning a complex platform. Talking about revenue tools on the other hand, by contrast, is a broader market suite. While it does is include your keyword research and rank tracking, its real strength line in reporting, compiling together SEO data, PPC metrics, social media stats, and the client's dashboard in one place. It's great for agencies that need to manage multiple campaigns and deliver white label report, as its keyword research features aren't as streamlined as deep as Ubersuggest. In 2025, go with Ubersuggest if your main goal is easy, budget-friendly keyword research. But pick Driving Tools if you want all-in-one reporting platform with keyword tracking as part of a bigger marketing picture. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.